This is John. So today we will demonstrate to you what's the effect of the film if we put that in the printer. Okay, so this is the film right now. We will install this to the printer. So okay, let's carry this one. This is like 50 pounds. So let's go there. So this is our printer. We have a 4-heads printer over here. Okay. So we'll go at the back. Oh, come on. Okay, you go there on the other side. You go to the other side. So show to them the 4-heads printer. All right. Okay. So we have a 100-meter film with this printer. This is a 4-head printer. Okay, so what we're gonna do, we will replace it with the 4-heads. Okay, give me a second. I just need to open it from the front. All right. So we just installed this printer a while ago. We will remove it. Okay. We'll remove the film. This is a 100-meter film, or 328 feet. Okay. So we remove it. Okay. So what will happen with this film? Okay. Right. Okay, so this is our film now. So where's the entrance? Okay, so that's the direction. Wow. Okay. It fits there. Oh wow, so it's really fit. Look at the button here. I think we can make a 400-meter film, but the 400-meter film is more than 50 pounds already. So after you lock it this way so that it will not move. You see? Wow, so this is will turn. Making a noise? No, that's okay. Okay, so let's remove the cover. So it's like a regular film, you know. So if your printer has a sensor like this, a paper sensor, it will stop by itself. But if your printer doesn't have the paper sensor, so what will happen if you run out the film? So you will have a possible head strike and possible replacement of the print head. So that's a very expensive experience. So now, it's like that. Oops. Because we would like to check how these films work also. Okay. That's the straight thing. Okay. Unlock. Whoa. I think all good. So now, as you can see, it will fit here. Now this is 3 times the capacity of the regular film, and you can keep printing without worrying that you run out of film. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.